Now we're going to learn Minuet in C, a piece written by Bach. This is a harmonizing activity, so we're going to be adding in the missing chords. First, I'm going to show you how to play the piece without the chords. Then I'd like you to try and add the chords in yourself. Remember to use any of the chords from the chords of C. Ready? Let's play. Okay, now let's play with the rhythm. Have a go at adding the chords in yourself. Ready? Let's play. Melodies are harmonized. So first bit is, okay, now bar 3 we're trying to harmonize an A. So remember what we learned, which chords can we use that have an A? So it's either going to be A minor or F. So let's try F. Oh yeah, it tells us that it can only be F, C or G, so it's going to be F. We're harmonizing a C, so it must be either F or C. C sounds better. And then bar 7, we're harmonizing a D, so that's going to be a G chord because G has D in it. And then we're back to C, F. Okay, we're harmonizing an F now, so it must be an F chord. Harmonizing an E, must be a C chord. D must be a G. Good, so all together. Da, 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 da. I hope that makes sense.